Hi, I'm Alex Gorlin, an architect based in New York City, and welcome to my home in Greenwich Village. What I first loved about the apartment was the amazing view of downtown Manhattan, then second, the great terrace that surrounded the apartment. Even though it was a total wreck, it was a hidden gem just waiting to be polished. This is Eileen Gray's E1027 house, and it was most of the inspiration for the design of this apartment, especially how she opened up the sleeping area to the living area. This entry area includes the closet, as well as my collection of miniature buildings. I visited most of these. This is from Brazil, Oscar Niemeyer, of course the Capitol, Chrysler Building. In fact, I've built this shelf specifically for this collection. The dining area is defined by the great knoll table designed by Eero Saarinen. Surrounding the table are 6 chairs whose profile reflects the Saarinen table, very comfortable and covered with a lush green fabric. There's really one long wall in this apartment, and after going to the Rijksmuseum, I was looking for the longest painting possible, and what came up was this painting of 30 Dutch soldiers from 1643. Each one of the soldiers stares at me at some point or another, but they're always good company. The painting also serves as a link between the dining area and the living area. This living area is defined by this sunburst pattern carpet by Bachmann Brown, and 2 squiggle chairs from Belgium in a similar green fabric to the dining chairs. Then this sofa from Dunbar is angled to look out to the view. I love this coffee table because it's clear, geometric, and it doesn't block anything. This surfboard light from the 50s is whimsical in shape and also was a visual link to the towers on the horizon. And this is sleeping area. Because the sleeping area is open and visible to the rest of the apartment, it had to have a real wow factor. Not only does it have incredible views, but because it's surrounded by the terrace, you feel like you're sleeping in a garden. I did everything not to make it feel like a bed, but to make it feel like part of the entertaining area. It's floating and surrounded by a cushioned headboard. It's in a subtle range of teal from light to dark. And what I really love about it is that it's cozy and sexy at the same time. Above the bed, we found this great mirror of sculptural shapes that reflect the view from different angles. Initially, I thought it would be too much, but it turned out it wasn't enough, so we mirrored the entire wall. I love the terrace. I love spending time out there and enjoying my lavender and roses and pine tree. I feel like I'm in the countryside suspended above the city. I hope you enjoyed my apartment and seeing how design and architecture can work together to take a small space and make it feel expansive, modern, fresh, and stylish. See you next time.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?